How to cap a sprinkler head. Occasionally, a faulty sprinkler head may start leaking and spewing water in awkward directions, ruining your sprinkler system. Capping that rebel sprinkler head will provide a quick fix, allowing you to continue using your sprinkler system while you get the broken sprinkler head replaced. Things you'll need: garden gloves, shovel, screwdriver. Find the sprinkler head you want to cap. Usually you can see it spraying water everywhere, but sometimes you may need to do a little digging and look through shrubbery in order to find it. Search for soggy ground and puddles of water. Use a shovel to dig a small area around the sprinkler head. You will need to reach directly under the sprinkler head. Depending on the kind of sprinkler system you have, you may need to dig a few inches deep into the ground. Dig until you can reach the bottom of the sprinkler head with your screwdriver. Avoid digging too far because you will need to refill the hole with dirt after you shut off the faulty sprinkler head. Use a screwdriver to turn the screw located on the bottom of the sprinkler head counterclockwise until it is completely tight. This will stop the flow of water to the sprinkler head and cap it. The water will then bypass this sprinkler head and move on to the next one. Turn on your sprinkler system to see if you did a successful job capping the sprinkler head. In some cases, you may need to cap several sprinkler heads in order to fix the leakage problem.